So guys, let's start with copying the first prompt that I'll give you in the description below and paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting it, ChatGPT will ask you to put a reference image prompt and video prompt. So go back and copy the image and image to video prompt and paste it here. Now ChatGPT will generate 7 simple prompts just like the reference prompt. Copy it and head to Google Gemini, select create image, nano banana and select pro version. Simply paste it here and wait for it to generate image. Look, it generated the image. Now head back to ChatGPT again and copy the second image prompt and paste it again, paste it here. Generate all the 7 images one by one. Okay guys, I downloaded all the 7 pictures. Now simply we need to copy the image to video prompt, and for video animation we need to go to Grok. Simply sign in. Log in with your email or log in with your Google account, anything you want. It will redirect you here. Simply drag and drop the first image here. It will start auto generating, so stop it and paste the prompt you copied and press enter. Now it will generate the video. See, it generated the video of a cat applying lipstick. Head back, drag this and also drop it here. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image to video prompt for second image. Head back to Grok and paste it here. Like this you can make all 7 videos. Okay guys, I'll download it all the 7 videos. Now head back to CapCut so we can make a 1 minute plus video. Simply drag them here and drag them into the timeline. Now all the videos are here. You see there is a logo of a Gemini. So all we can do is just change the scale. Change it to 110 and simply drag it a little bit down. Now you can see there is no logo here. Now play it and let's see what's the result. Look, it's looking so realistic. Wow, cute. What do you think guys? It's cute na? Now what we can do now is simply export it, name it like cat makeup and turn the frame rate to 60 fps and then export it. Now our 1 minute plus video of viral makeup cat is ready. If you like this video, please come. If you like this tutorial, please follow me for next. Now here is the final result guys. What do you think of this tutorials? If you like cats, please comment cats and subscribe for my next video. I'll try to make more videos like these. Simply subscribe my channel and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.